Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another project. Today we're making these adorable stuffed baby chicks. They're a quick and easy way to fill your tiered trays, baskets, and bowls for spring, and they make a fun Easter project too. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and the printable template. Or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device and then print out just the template page. All right, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need fabric, orange and black felt scraps, polyester fiberfill stuffing, fabric or craft glue, some optional pinking shears, and the printable template. First, cut out the templates and use them to cut out the beak and eyes from felt. I like to use a glue stick to attach the eye template to the felt before cutting it out. Next, place a piece of chick fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. Place another piece of chick fabric on top with the right side facing up. Center the template in the middle of the fabric stack and pin it in place. Stitch the chick together by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper, leaving a space at the beak area for stuffing. Go slow to keep from sewing the paper and be sure your needle's in the down position when pivoting. Remove the paper template and use pinking shears or scissors to trim 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch outside the stitching line. Use the beak opening to stuff the chick with fiberfill, filling it as full as desired. Adjust the stuffing away from the opening. Insert the felt beak into the opening between the 2 layers of fabric. For a neater look, retrim the opening. Stitch the beak in place while you're closing the opening. Then readjust the stuffing. Then glue the eyes into place and let them dry. And just like that, just that fast, we made some cute baby spring chicks to add to your springtime decor. If you'd like to see more quick and easy sewing projects like this one, check out some of my other video tutorials. See you next time with another project.